are a mechanical electrical engineering company based in Des Moines, Iowa.
We're like a little family, we're tight-knit. We like to work and play together.
We needed a space that reflected our culture of flexibility, of having fun, of customer service, of collaboration. A typical suburban commercial office building was not going to be our cup of tea.
Well, this building was pretty interesting when we first found it.
It had a lot of really awesome potential, but it was so covered up and I hadn't done a lot of research as to what it had been before.
That it was a retail store and had been for years.
It had a lot of zebra print and bright colors, so I was like, what are you buying?
The building is almost 100 years old. It started off as an auto dealership and service station.
They wanted something that was kind of an industrial space, but they also wanted something to reflect their modern high-tech approach to engineering.
But we didn't really want drywall.
The walls that we did build, we wanted them to be cutting edge and incorporate a look that was a contrast with the old structure.
We went over to Pigot's office to kind of see what their structure looked like, and we loved it. Just completely blown away. And then of course we were like, we want everything! So you gotta kind of tone it down from there.
When we started out the design process, we got a little aggressive with our budget and had to peel things back just a little bit. So it was a great exercise to see that software and have it virtually in real time, understanding what we were buying and how that would all fit together. We build things for a living, so be able to see that was very, very nice.
I could show it to everybody in the office of like what our space could be and walking through the different rooms. It got everybody excited.
The DIRTT system was something that would allow for quick construction, efficient construction. Timber was an interesting strategy because we wanted something that was self-supported within the space.
We love having the timber because it harkens back to the essential components of buildings.
And I think the outcome was wonderful. We couldn't have done it any other way, I don't think.
The more we understood about how DIRTT worked and what we could do and make out of it, the more we fell in love with it.
It went up really fast. They weren't in anybody's way. Nobody was in their way.
People want things faster and faster, so I think that there's going to be more and more demand for prefab construction.
It's a great old building. It's in a historic part of the town. People love to come and see what we've done with the space, and the DIRTT has really elevated what we're able to do with this building. Definitely contributes to the wow factor.
The clients are just blown away. Our open house, we had so many compliments. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this is the same building.
Innovations within the construction industry are important. That's how we help set ourselves apart from the rest of the industry. And so to be able to show that we do that as well as talk about it is important.
You walk in and it's just like, oh, you're home, but you know you're at work. Everybody's excited to come to work.